In this quick guide, we're diving into how to use Proof for collecting reviews, a powerful tool for boosting your business's credibility by showcasing social proof in real time. Whether you're new to collecting reviews or just looking for a more efficient way to display them, this software can make a significant difference. Stick with me to the end because I'll show you exactly how to get started with a special offer that can save you time and money. Proof allows you to capture and display customer reviews in real time, which adds immediate trust and credibility to your brand. This software helps you highlight positive customer experiences, build social proof, and ultimately drive more conversions. By leveraging real-time notifications, Proof gives potential customers the assurance they need, seeing that others are engaging with your product or service. When you first sign up for Proof, you'll be prompted to connect your site or e-commerce platform. Integration is simple, and within minutes, you can begin tracking reviews from customers. Once you're connected, you'll see an easy-to-navigate dashboard that shows your most recent reviews and where you can manage your settings for showing those reviews on your site. One of the key features is the ability to display these reviews dynamically. Proof allows you to create pop-ups and notifications that appear on your website whenever someone leaves a review. These real-time updates work wonders in showing your website visitors that others are interacting with your brand, which builds social proof fast. The software also makes it easy to customize how and where reviews appear on your site. You can control everything from the timing to the style of the notification, making sure it fits seamlessly with your website's design. These review notifications are not just useful for credibility, they actually encourage more customers to leave feedback as they see how it benefits the business. Now, you might be wondering how to collect these reviews in the first place. Proof offers automated tools that prompt your customers for reviews after making a purchase or engaging with your service. It's a seamless experience for both you and your customers, as the system will automatically send follow-up emails, surveys, or in-app messages requesting feedback. Beyond just collecting reviews, Proof allows you to track them and gain insights into how your social proof efforts are performing. With built-in analytics, you can see which types of reviews lead to the most conversions and adjust your strategy accordingly. Another great aspect of Proof is its ability to integrate with other platforms you might already be using, like email marketing tools and CRMs. This way, you can further streamline your review collection process and turn reviews into actionable business insights. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your review strategy, Proof can help you automate the collection and display of reviews in ways that are simple and effective. And remember, you can use this software for completely free by signing up through the exclusive link below, along with some added bonuses that will help you get even more from Proof. By the way, I didn't mention that if you sign up today, you'll get an extended free trial, so be sure to check the link in the description to take advantage of this offer before it expires. Start using Proof today and see how it can transform your review strategy into a growth engine for your business.